Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your 10th generation iPad. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, what are we gonna do now? We need to find these volume up and down buttons and quickly click volume up then volume down button and then press and hold this power button. So let's do it now. Volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button. And continue to hold till you see the Apple's logo appears on the screen. Continue to hold. Now you see the logo and you can release the button and just simply wait till it will turn on again. Great, now your iPad is on, which means that the reset process has been successfully completed. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. And thank you so much for watching.